Welcome to this baseloop onboarding video. I'm going to show you how you can start minimal with a URL only list. You can enrich the companies fully, find the founders, enrich them, and push them anywhere you like. Here we are in baseloop. I already put in the URL list only, and this is in our first table. I'm going to show you how we are able to find the LinkedIn URL for this company. So I just press in LinkedIn URL. The agent is thinking with us. It's saying, okay, probably the column name should be LinkedIn URL and the type is a URL. And I can run it for the first 10 rows, but I can also, just like you were working in Excel, selecting um, some fields and just start running them. The LinkedIn URLs have been enriched. Now I'm gonna add a column, go to all actions, and what I want to do is I want to be enriched via the LinkedIn URL. So you just have to give the LinkedIn URL and let's say, okay, I want the company name, the industry, the website, and the employee range. I want to have it enriched. And you can save only and you can check just a few, or you can once more select a bunch and then just start enriching them. The columns will be automatically made. You don't have to push the data anywhere. The agent is thinking with you and it's all real time because as you can see, the data it's starting to enrich, and this is like an ensemble of data coming towards me. It's perfect. Now I want to go to have some more context about what's going on at these kind of companies. So I want to search for some funding news. So I say, give me the last funding round, the amount and date. Again, the agent is thinking with us. It's saying amount on date, for example, and then 50 million on in 2024. If you say I want to have another format, you can always choose and manipulate the column output. But for now, I think this is good. So I once again just run the first 10 rows, and yeah, we're just gonna see what's going on in the funding. Okay, so there's a lot of funding going on. I think this one is pretty cool. There was 872 million, and we can see the confidence score is quite high. The resources, the sources it used, and yeah, you can just see it everywhere. And also, if there's not been any funding that we could find, there's 7 websites been scraped to find all those information. And I think I do want to find some founders of these companies, even the ones that we didn't find any funding of. So what I'm doing, I'm going to actions. I say find people at company, and I just need to give a little bit of steering. So it needs the LinkedIn URL to be fed, and I don't have a table, so I create a table. And most of the time, there's only one, maybe two captains on the ship, but today one is good for me. And yeah, let's search for the founders. Okay, and the co-founders, they can come as well. Yeah, co-founder as well. So yeah, let's have a look who shows up. So as you can see, we did found some founders of these companies. Of course, somebody has to start, and there's one still processing, but we're gonna go ahead. So this is a list of companies, and we want to go to the list of the people at the company. So I open up the list, the leads they appear, and yeah, we just want to enrich them. I think we want to enrich them with an email because yeah, who doesn't want the email of a founder? And then I just say, okay, the first name, the last name, and it's optional. We can add the company name. We can also add the URL of the company. It's not necessary, but yeah, let's just add the LinkedIn URL then. Perfect. You can use your own API. If you don't use your own API, it's 2 credits for an email. And yeah, once again, you can just save only and select a few, or you can do it hand by hand, or also the first 10 row or empty and filled. So let's choose this one because then the three here will go and find and search for an email. The first emails are already enriched, and just before we push it into any tool or we download the CSV, check what we did. We started with a list of only website URLs. We did found the LinkedIn URLs. We enriched the companies, found some more information by doing research about their funding, and then we identified the right founders. And of course, we need to reach out to those founders, and that's why we enriched that with emails. And now it is the final moment to export them to your CRM or to your outreach tool. And as you can see with HubSpot, Lemlist, SmartLead, Instantly, La Growth Machine, Reply, HeyReach, and if your tool is not here, we can just do it via an API or an HTTP request. And yeah, just push it everywhere and start reaching out to your leads. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. And if there's anything that doesn't look right or you have any questions, please just press the need help button. Me or my colleagues will be there and we'll be happy to answer all your questions. And yeah, wish you all the best and luck with building